Hi and welcome to the last video on this series. This is question 26. It's not a topic that we've done in class at all, but I'm going to show it to you anyway because some of you might be familiar with this from year 11 or your own revision. So expand and simplify. Expand we know means get rid of the brackets. Yeah, multiply out the brackets. So we've got two sets of brackets being multiplied together. What we're going to use for this is grid method. So I'm multiplying 5x plus 2 by 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. Okay. So here's my little grid. Just gonna pick that up. Okay. So I'll just take a different pen color here, so you can see clearly what I'm doing. Okay. So I need to multiply these two terms. 5x times 2x. Well, 5 times 2 is 10, and x times x is x squared. Pause the video and try to fill in the rest of the grid. Okay, hopefully you managed that. We've got 2x times 2 is 4x, and I'm just going to make it really obvious that it's a positive by putting a plus in there. 5x times negative 3. Well, 5x times 3 is 15x, and we know a positive times a negative gives us a negative. So that's minus 15x. And then positive 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So once we've got that, we've done the expand bit, we now need to simplify. So let's just write out what we've got. We've got 10x squared plus 4x minus 15x minus 6. Now you'll remember from simplifying before that x squareds and x's are not like terms. They cannot be simplified together. So the like terms that I have here are plus 4x and minus 15x. These two can be simplified. The rest will stay as it is. So we've got 10x squared, nothing to go with that, plus 4 take away 15. 4 take away 15. Well, that gives us minus 11x and then minus 6. And there you have it. That's the answer. Okay, so this is asking us to factorize. So we're being asked to put it back into brackets. This is harder, but I'm going to show you how you can use the grid to help you with this. So we'll go for black pen here. So I'm going to set up my grid like I did in the first question. Okay, so I've got, I know from my question that the x squared must go in there, and the plus 3, the number always goes down here. So these are the bits I know, and I know that these two terms here are going to be simplified into one term. So that 4x is not going to appear in the grid. That's going to be these two added together. So this is actually quite nice because 3 is a prime number. That's the only way that I can write 3 as a product of two numbers multiplied together, is as 1 and 3. So I'll just change my pen color again so we can see. Alright, so I know that 1 and 3 must go here. That would give me plus 3. And I know that x and x must go here. They're what multiplied together to give me x squared. So let's just check the other parts of this. So x times 3 would go in here, 3x, and that's positive. And 1 times x would go in here, so that's just positive x. And 3x plus x does give me the 4x, so I've done it. What have I got here? I've got x, and that's a positive one. So my first bracket says x plus 1. My second bracket says x plus 3. And there you have it. So that concludes this series on the calculator paper of your mock. Hopefully it's given you some things to look at and to try out. If there's any questions that you have, please email me. As I said, I'm around for the holidays, so if you want to come in for revision or you want help on anything, just get in touch. I am around. Okay, all the best. Bye.